Welcome back, Marty here with another Visual Basic video. In this video, we will create a simple ping application within Visual Basic. Remember to give this video a like and watch the other videos in this series to learn as much as you can. Let's create a new project in Visual Studio and use Windows Forms. Give your project a name. Resize the window as we will not need this much room. Add in a button and a text box. Let's add a title to the window. Change the button's text to say ping. And now let's do the code. We'll use an if statement to see if the ping works. Let's use the my.computer.network.ping and ping whatever is in the text box. Let's show a message, if it works, telling us that it worked, and an else statement with a message box saying that it didn't work. Now let's run the program and test it out. Your firewall may block you, so just keep that in mind. And you should start getting messages like this saying that it worked. You can also use a domain name, as I've done here, or you could type in an IP address. There's a lot of things that a tool like this could be very useful for. Obviously it does need a bit more work to become a practical tool, but it is a very good start. Hopefully you learned something from this video. Remember to give it a like and check out the next video in this series.